Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you 5 of my favorite summer bags for this summer season. And honestly, I'm so obsessed with them. They are so adorable, and there'll be a unboxing in this video. So yes, I'm kind of excited about it. Now, let's go with the first. The first is my most favorite, most used bag, especially during summer and spring. But nowadays, it's just more evident in summer because I've been using a different kind of white bag when it was the spring season. So this is my evidently summer. This beautiful Boy inspired bag in beige. Now, that's why I've used this like so much, because it is so easy to use. It's so easy to pack. It packs a lot. I got this from Valentine's Day of I think 2 or 3 years ago. See, it's a nice bright red. There's a zipper pocket and a big pocket. And this packs a lot. Like, I bring this to a lot of things. Plus, I like kind of like feminine styled of look or plain looks sometimes during the summer. So this is like the perfect upgrade to any of my outfits that are just like plain and solid. So I love this. Plus, it's like a really nice edgy bag, and it's so beautiful. Like, I like wearing it like this, but sometimes I also add the long chain, but I prefer like wearing it in the strap. But it's like an easy bag that I could just put all together. Now, this is super used already, but I don't really care. Like, there's so many like stitchings already, but honestly, this is like the super worth it bag that I really enjoy wearing because it's so versatile. It's like off beige, it's not like white, so I can easily pair it with a lot of things, with like everything actually. So this is nice. I'm not afraid of color transfer with this because this is affordable. Plus, so far I've never really used this with like new outfits altogether. So I usually tend to wash my outfits first, so it won't have any color transfer. But yeah, I love this. It's so beautiful because so far, aside from the like stitching, because like I really put this everywhere because I bring it everywhere, there's no color transfers. Like, it's so nice and clean and beautiful. So yeah, that is one of my favorite bags. So the next one is, aside from that, I'm more into like the go-to. Like, I'm a person who's like, I don't want to stress about it, don't want to worry about it. So if I want something that I easily just want to go, my Kelly inspired bag in gold color and in gold harder. It's so nice. It's so easy. Actually, I don't need to put the bow anymore, but I really like it also because like a more summery feel compared to fall when I remove it. And it's nice and fresh. It's bigger than a mini Kelly, but smaller than a Kelly 25. But it has enough space for me to pack the stuff that I need. That's why also it's like, even if I have like the money to like be able to get a mini Kelly or Kelly 25, I don't think I'll be using it because I prefer like the middle to that, because it's so easy to use. Plus, I could bring it to the beach and I won't worry about it. It's a really nice. It also has 4 feet, but the nice part to this, it doesn't have any labels, which is I really like about that. And I will try to find if I can still find the link of where I got this, but if not, I'll find another place where you can get this in the same quality that I got it. But it's really nice and versatile. It's so easy to pair with any of my light dresses or light outfits because yeah, it's a nice colored brown. Yeah. Now, the next one, let's go to a bit of colors, which is, I think it's peaking already right now. I love this color. It's beautiful. It's so easy. It's such a summer color, and it has been a color for this year for me, like an evident one, which is this beautiful, adorable, like almost Tiffany blue. Well, not really. It's like a close to sans. No, like Celeste, the blue Celeste of Hermes. it's closest to that. It's really nice, bright, beautiful color. It's so versatile. It's also the same size as my Kelly in brown or in gold, and this one has gold hardware, and it's so easy to bring also like that. And yeah, I put also because this has a lighter color, so I put twillies here, but this one is really just an easy thing because it's also like for summer. It's so nice. Plus this one actually is different from this shop, and the quality, and there are like some differences from this one and that style. But honestly, I love this too. This is like my summer colors for this probably this year, because they're so nice to look at, and they're also so nice to pair with everything. Now, another easy bag. As you can see, I have a lot. Most of them are long strap, or I think all of my bags right now for summer are actually long strap, but that's okay. These are top handle, so that's not a bother. I do have one that is so cute, and I got it actually last year. I think it was last year, and it's such a nice color. It's very muted, but the color is evident still. And yes, it is this beautiful Chanel 19 inspired bag in a pink. It's like a muted rose color. I love this. It packs a lot, like packs really a lot. There's a zipper pocket here, and I was amazed when I found this. I'm not sure honestly if I will be able to link where I got this from, because this was actually a gift, so I'm not sure if it's still available. I will try to find it or something similar, but yeah, so far when I've been looking for it, I don't think I've seen this color, but the black and white of this is really nice as well. So yeah, it has like a really nice, really gold color, and then a mix of also the chains, which is this one is the charcoal one. I love this, and the best part, it has a back pocket just like the Chanel 19. Now this one, I've been like so obsessed with it. I love using it, and I think also my husband notices that I really love using this type of bag because it's so easy. It really blends in your like body because it's like so buttery like that. So I think that's why he thinks that oh, this is like the greatest bag that you have so far that you've been using, because it's not as a hassle. But although this one is like almost like the lambskin color, so, or the goat skin color, so it really is smooth, so you still have to be careful with it. But I usually bring this like on errands or everything like that. So let's go into the unboxing. This is something that I didn't know he'll be able to find or he'll be able to get me, because it's such a, it's such a nice bag. And I don't think you guys will expect this, but I think some of you guys probably would. So let's get into it. So here it is. And yes, I've opened this already and I've used it already. That's why it's one of my summer bag favorites, because I've used it a lot. And it's... yes, it's a Chanel 19 inspired bag, but in also beige, or like this off cream color. It's so nice. Like, seriously guys, look at that. Like everything about it, everything is so nice. I am seriously obsessed with it. Like, look at that. The hardware is like not too gold, although it's because maybe I've used it as it's oxidized a bit. But yeah, I also love the combination of the straps. It still has the charcoal, and then the yellow one, the gold one I mean, and then there. Then evidently I've used this, like I really used this because it was beautiful. Inside there is a zipper here, which is great for more privacy. And then of course there's a pocket there. Oh, there's just like one zipper pocket, but it's so spacious. But the difference between this and a real Chanel 19 bag is this one, of course, of the CC turn lock. It's not the CC turn lock, of course. It's like surprise. It doesn't have the back pockets. Not as this one. This one has the back pockets. This one doesn't have the back pockets. But still, this is so nice. This is actually bigger than this one, but just a bit, of course. Yeah, you can see like that. Hello, you can see like that. It's really a different kind of color. also, but it's really still nice because of course I wouldn't bring this like too much and like because if it's a bright pink, so it's nicer if it's a small color or if it's a small size, and this one would be nicer if it's big. And I swear, like, it's so buttery soft, it's so beautiful. Honestly, even on actual, it's still the same, it's still the same, it's still so beautiful. Like, really, I love this one. I've been using this also constantly, apart from the boy bag that I really like also, but that one is a different story because that one I really like. So this is my new obsession right now. It's off-white. I have to really rest on bags that are really white because I have so much, actually. I have so much of like almost white colored bags. I'm obsessed with them, but they're the easiest to pair like with anything. I mean, it's summer, so you want something light and fresh and easy to bring. So I honestly say that you can easily bring this everywhere. And yeah, so I hope you like this video. It's a bit lengthy just because I enjoy talking about these bags and they are so beautiful and easy to pair with. So yeah, if you guys want other videos about this or other summer stuff that you guys want to know about, let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!